Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Chris here. I just want to talk to you guys a little bit today about stop losses. I told you I've been doing a lot of studying all this stuff and doing a lot of reading, and in a lot of the traditional books, I hear even if you're going long, you should have stop losses in place. But as I continue to study cryptocurrency, and for people who may be a little bit more like me and want to be able to hold their coins for a while, wait to see what happens down the road, maybe a year or so from now, are stop losses good or not? And here's my question for you guys, because I want you to really write in the comment section what you guys are doing, because I need your guys' help as well here. And the reason why stop losses scare me so much when I'm going extremely long, a year or two out, are exactly days like this. So you take a look at this candle, and let's say you bought in at $300 or so, and you say, all right, I'm going to put a stop loss just in case all hell breaks loose around 230, somewhere right in there, okay? Or we'd even go down to this spot here, 212, and you say, okay, I'm going to put it at 212, and in one day, these big market manipulators who have tons of coins took the price from $306 all the way down to $150, so clearing out all the stops here, and then at the end of the day, the candle closed at $246. So there was almost a $100 difference right here where you could have gotten your long-term investment just cleared out. So say you're cleared out at $200, and then it goes back up to $250, and you have 100 coins. You just got cleaned out. So, and you see a lot of these wicks here, guys. They really shoot down far. This one here, so let's see. It went from $231 in one day down to $147, and then closed at around $180 or so. So yet again, there the wick poked down over $35, and you can get cleaned out. I mean, these wicks are really long, guys. And I want to let you know, if you have a stop loss in place, they're going to be triggered. Whether or not it closes or not, if this price goes down, you could get stopped out. So, a lot of people thinking, they say, all right, so the scenario in right now, there's a lot of support here around 165. And I also believe it's the 618 retracement. Fibonacci retracement. So that's a really powerful spot. So you say, all right, I'm going to put a stop here around 165 or so. But what happens if you put it at 165 and a wick pokes down, or I'm sorry, not even say 165, say you put it at 162 to be safer, and you say, oh, there's going to be a lot of support here, and you put it at 162. What happens if a wick pokes down here, and cleans you out, and then all of a sudden we're back up to $190? So that's the problem with setting stops going long in cryptocurrency. So I want to know your guys' take on it, because I'm very conflicted on this. I read all these books and everyone says you need to have these stops in place. This is very important. But I also look at it as a long-term investment is what I'm looking for. And I'm also looking at it as, you don't have these normal things happening in the stock market, because right now, guys, we're not regulated. So these guys, they can just dump them like the Mt. Gox guys do, and they can dump them. It'll go down for 12 hours or whatever, then it'll pop right back up. So I wanted to hear your guys' opinion on it and kind of see what you guys are doing in terms of long-term investors. I understand if you're a trader and that's what you're doing and you're making day trades or even, weekly trades, something like that. But if you're holding long term, I want to hear what your guys' opinion is on it. So God bless you all. Take care and have a wonderful day. And please put your input, like this video, subscribe, and I thank you for all that you guys have done. God bless you all.